Hey there, doodlers! Today we'll be drawing, that's right, chicken. We will start with a black marker. First, draw a circle. Circle is a very difficult shape to draw, so take your time. Can you believe it? Chickens are related to dinosaurs. Wow! Next, we will draw the baby chicken's 2 legs and cute little feet. Draw 1 longer line, then 3 short lines under it. Fun fact! Chickens dream when they sleep, just like you do. Draw 2 little dots on the chicken's face for eyes. For the beak, we will be drawing cone shapes. Think of ice cream cones. Cone shapes are triangles, but with one of the sides round. I'm adding 3 lines on the side for wings. Yay! Now it's time to color. I'm using orange for the beak. What color should I pick for the body? Pink? Green? I'm going to use yellow. Did you know? Chickens can remember over 100 faces. How many faces can you remember? Fun fact! Chickens talk to their eggs by purring. Purr, purr. Now you have a cute little chicken on your very own Keedle Doodle curtains. Do you want to add more drawings or stickers? Come visit the Keedle Doodle website. See you next time, doodlers!